Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover a deleted project in CapCut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, you first of all simply gonna go ahead, open up your CapCut app. And now once the app has been opened, you're gonna go to this edit section and you're gonna have a project. So let's say I have a project and I want to delete this. I'm going to tap on this three dot and I'm going to tap on delete. I'm going to tap on move. You can see it said move this to trash. So you're gonna go to the library over here and you're gonna allow access. And you're going to tap on all from the spaces. Simply scroll and you will find this section of trash. Tap on trash and there you go, your file is over there. Tap on three dot and tap on restore. Now go back and go to edit and your file will be there. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.